It is better to risk starving to death than surrender. We give up on our dreams, what's left? Jim Carrey. Hi, I'm Brian Smith. I was born in Dallas, Texas, to Rebecca and Tim Smith. My mom was born in Biloxi, Mississippi, to Bert and Marie Johnson, and my dad in Fort Worth, Texas, to Turner and Julia Smith. I have a younger brother named Brandon who is 17 years old and lives with my dad in Mesquite. I also have a little sister who lives with me and my mom in Forney, Texas, and she goes to Smith Elementary, is in the first grade. Since I was a young boy, my parents have instilled in me the meaning of hard work and honesty. Through these principles, I have become a better man. I grew up in Mesquite, going to Porter Elementary through 6th grade. I then moved to Forney for middle school, and then for high school, I went to 4 different schools throughout my 4 years. For 9th grade, I went to 4 different schools: Poteet, Berkner, Forney, and Terrell. I went to Berkner again in 10th grade in Richardson, Texas. I then finished out my high school years back in Forney for 11th and 12th grade. I graduated in 2010. My hobbies include playing video games, watching movies, and watching sporting events, especially football. I also played football in Pee Wee in 7th grade. I love most types of music, but especially alternative rock and pop punk, such as Green Day or Vapor Drive. My favorite show of all time is The Big Bang Theory. I've been going to Eastville for 3 years now and planning on having my associates in special education this spring. I have always had a kinship with special needs children. I feel like I can show them that they can do anything. I plan on going to Sam Houston State University in the fall of 2014 to get my bachelor's degree. I feel that my ultimate career goal is to have a job in which I am happy and passionate. Because if you're happy going to work and passionate about something, then you're always going to be on top. I know that through my values and principles, I can achieve anything that I set my mind to. Thank you.